In 1952, Richard Kegg invented the first CNC machine. 5 years later, he patented his invention. This revolution in production, accuracy, and efficiency met with so much resistance that it wasn't widely implemented until the 1980s. For nearly 30 years, many people couldn't imagine using a CNC machine. Today, we can't imagine not using one. The CNC was a huge boon to technology and changed the machine shop universe. As the market continues to change, you need to be more competitive. You have to ask yourself, how am I going to compete against those machine shops that have robots? The best way to compete is to have them in your shop. Without robots, that's the same as having a human-powered Bridgeport and trying to compete against a shop with CNCs. To explore more, visit our website or call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.